Hello everyone, I'm Azad Singh. Today we are covering a unique configuration topic, which is setting up password policy expiration for Oracle users. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the configuring password policy within Oracle IDCS, which is Identity Cloud Services domain. This setup is specifically for the users who are dedicated to automation tasks. So the purpose of configuring non-expiring password for automation users here, well, basically the aim here is to ease the administrative burden by configuring these users' password to never expire. Automation users don't need frequent password updates, so setting their expirations to 0 days eliminates the hassle of constant maintenance. So the steps for non-expiry password policy in Oracle IDCS, in order to configure the steps, you need to be an admin for IDCS. Well, IDCS administrator, you need to have that kind of a credential. And I'm going to be sharing my screen and I'm going to be taking you to the window where you can perform how to create a new policy and then assign users to that new policy. So right now, what you're seeing is the Oracle IDCS user management window. You can come to this screen from normally oracle.cloud.com. Just have to log in, and then on the right hand side, on the left hand side, you see options to come to users and then IDCS domain page. So this page has a hyperlink. It will take you to the next IDCS domain page. So if you click on here, right, it will bring you to the screen of IDCS. Now, on the left hand side, you see all the various options to the create users, group, and there are so many other options. So today, the first thing what we're going to be doing is creating a new group, which is by clicking on the group hyperlink and then by creating a group button. I have already created a group for this activity right now. As you can see, it says non-expiry password policy group. However, you can perform these. The step is by just simply creating a group by clicking on this button, giving a name, description, and then select the user from the list who you want the password to not expire, right? So once you select all those users, all you have to do is click on create. Since I have already done that, I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to show you the configuration. So right now I'm working with PBCS user 4. Right? Now, once this is done, the next thing is for you to come to the default page. So you can just navigate from the hyperlink down there, or I can show you it again. So if you're in group window, you can just go back to the default domain. So you can do that by doing that. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to create a new policy. How you going to be doing that is by clicking on this hyperlink called settings. So once you click on that, you'll see again on the left hand side, there's something called password policy. So this password policy will have a default password policy already created for you. What you need to do is you have to click on the add button, and then this will help you create a new policy. Now you can give a name, meaningful description. In the priority, you have to set 1. You can add the group which you created in the first step as a part of the first step. So since I created this guy, I can add it to this policy. The next thing is very important setting is to note down here is if you scroll down below, you'll see something called expiry after number of days. Right now it says 120. You just have to set this to 0 and scroll all the way down to the bottom and then click on add. So once you click on add, this will create a new policy. And then that basically will be applicable for that group, and whoever are the part of that group, their password will never expire. So I think, yeah, that's the whole configurational steps that you need to be you need to take care. So I think that's how you can set up the password policy to non-expiry and then run the process smoothly without the need for the periodic password updates. So thanks again